stand up. Stand up. Push it. Yes. Great job. You want me to do it? Look.
Whoa, this is so hard.
Push it. Push it. Push it here. Here we go. We got it.
Whoa.
Name these guys. What's this?
Zuma.
This one.
Guy.
This one.
Rubble.
Oh, this one.
Rocket.
This one.
Cherry. Mushroom.
Great. And all of them again. Here in it. Right here. And now open it. And then we have to screw this thing in the back. In the back. Let's turn it upside down. You made it, yes. Stop over here. Push it in. There, you see this? You're gonna hold it when you. Great job. Cut in there. Oh, and I believe when you get something on this and. Okay, just push it and release it. We didn't put this part. Is it this one?
Yeah.
These toys.
Whoa, easy.
You got the mommy by yourself. Who is this?
Zuma.
Zuma?
Kai.
Is it Sky?
Yeah. Oh, see?
Let's first apply the stickers and then we get water on. Okay? Oh my god, it's perfect.
Okay.
Ready for the water? Okay. Okay, right here I'm gonna bring it.
Okay. Okay. More.
Sky can fly. Let's do it with Sky. Get it over. Okay, ready, Sky?
Yeah.
Go! Oh! This is cool. Ready, Lions? 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay.
I'm gonna hold it so it doesn't fall. Okay, go. Be careful, careful. I got it.
Bye bye, friends. I going to shine.